Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Jyotsna, and today I'm here to talk about a very important topic in life of students especially, that is failure. And I want to tell you that failure is not opposite to success. It is a part of success. You just have to change the perspective to see it. You can change the way you look at failure to make it happen to your goal. You have to change the way you think about the failure. And today, I will teach you how you're supposed to deal with your failure. Let me show you something. Remember this flow chart, like you do the flow chart for molecular basis of inheritance, the central dogma of genetics. This is a central dogma to success. Try once, you will fail. Try again, you will fail again. Try again, you will fail again. Try again, you will fail again. It's a circle. It will ultimately end into success. So don't give up. Keep trying, keep failing. Fail your way to success. Because if you want to achieve big goals, you will experience setbacks, you will experience failure. What you have to learn is that you should not let it affect your self confidence and motivation. It should inspire you to fail your way to success. Have you ever tossed? हर क्रिकेट मैच में there's a toss, है ना? Either it's a head or a tail. Either you win or you lose. Does the coin change? क्या उस कॉइन में कोई खराबी हो जाती है इफ यू लूज, या वो कॉइन सोने का बन जाता है इफ यू विन? इट रिमेन्स द सेम. You have to remain the same. You have to be the one who will have to buck up again, work on your mistakes again, and keep trying until you reach your goal. What you need to learn is just change your perspective on what failure is to stay motivated to achieve what you want. If you feel that your failure is a setback, don't. It's just a bend in the road. It's not the end of the road. Learn from the bend, move on. It's not a signal to stop. If you feel that he could do it, I could not do it, वो तो एक ही बार में उसने क्लियर कर लिया, मेरे को 5 बार हो गया, वो हर अब तो उसकी एमबीबीएस खत्म भी होने वाली है और मेरा नहीं हो गया. डोंट कंपेयर. Comparison is the thief of joy. Everyone's path to success is different. Everyone is different. You are different. You will make it in your own way. Okay? If every experience in life teaches you something, it says na ki never stop learning because life never stops teaching. Same way, your failure will teach you. Just make a habit of reflecting on your failure. Keep looking back on what went wrong. Start from, don't forget from where you started. What made you fail? Keep looking back on it. Keep a record of it so that you don't do it again. You don't fail because of the same reason again. You should fail better. It should be a better failure so that you go to a better version of yourself. If you feel that you failed, take responsibility of what happened. घर में प्रॉब्लम थी, आई कुड नॉट मेक इट, मेरी तबीयत ठीक नहीं थी, आई कुड नॉट गिव माई फुल पोटेंशियल, ये नहीं था, वो नहीं था. डोंट मेक एक्सक्यूजेस. डोंट ब्लेम योर फेट, योर फैमिली, योर रिलेशनशिप्स फॉर नॉट मेकिंग इट और अचीविंग इट. ओन इट. नहीं, मैंने उतनी मेहनत करी, मुझे और इस टॉपिक को पढ़ना चाहिए था, मुझे और डीप में पढ़ना चाहिए था, मुझे ज़्यादा क्वेश्चंस प्रैक्टिस करने चाहिए थे. टेक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, look for the voids, fill them, learn, and be a better person to have the confidence that you can do it and you will make it. Lastly, before you quit something, do a regret evaluation. देखो बहुत आसान है ना? जैसे बचपन में साइकिल चलाने जाते हैं, पहली बार साइकिल चलाई, गिर गए, चोट लग गई. साइकिल तो ओवर रेटेड है, साइकिल चलाना कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. मैं आई एम नॉट मेड टू साइकिल, यू आर टेलिंग अ लाई टू योर सेल्फ. इफ यू फेल एंड यू गिव अप, यू लाई टू योर सेल्फ कि ये कोई इतनी बड़ी बात नहीं है, आई एम मेड फॉर बेटर थिंग्स टू डू, ये तो कोई भी कर सकता है. आप अपने अराउंड एक झूठ का सर्कल बना रहे हो कि आप नहीं कर पाए, तो आप उन लोगों को क्या हो गया अगर वो डॉक्टर बन गया तो मैं आई एम अ बेटर पर्सन, मैं ये कर लूंगा। बिकॉज जब आप हर किसी को डॉक्टर देखोगे, वो कहीं ना कहीं जो आपकी चाह थी वो आपको बोलेगी कि तू भी बन सकता था, बट ठीक है ना, आई एम एट अ बेटर प्लेस टुडे। Saying that won't make you better. Lying to yourself that you could not make it because you did not try is not good. Just keep going. वो जो झूठ का पहाड़ आप अपने लिए बना लेते हो ना, वो इतना ऊंचा हो जाता है कि कभी उसकी चोटी तक आप पहुंच ही नहीं पाते। छोटे छोटे स्टेप्स लो। आपसे गलती हुई, कोई बात नहीं। डोंट रिग्रेट इट, डोंट लीव इट, डोंट स्टॉप देयर एंड देन। चूज एन ऑल्टरनेट पाथवे, टेक अ ब्रेक। ओके, लुक, जैसे आपने पहले तैयारी करी थी वैसे मत करो, ट्राई अ डिफरेंट वे। चूज people who will help you do it in a better way. Choose friends who will guide you in a better way. Make alternate choices before regretting it. एक बार उसको छोड़ दिया फिर जिंदगी भर रिग्रेट करे कि यार बन तो सकता था मैं डॉक्टर, बट मेहनत नहीं करी, तो वो रिग्रेट नहीं करना है ना। तो बिफोर यू क्विट, डू अ रिग्रेट इवेल्युएशन कि क्या तुम ये रिग्रेट करोगे कि काश मैं कर लेता तो मैं ये नहीं होता, है ना। सो फेलियर is something which will drive you forward if you do these things. You know, if you look back and correct those mistakes, if you own up your mistakes, if you create a zest ki nahi, I don't have to quit, I have to keep going. This change in perspective will help you recommit to what you want. बहुत बच्चों का होता है कि मैम हम कमिटेड ही नहीं रह पाते, हम मोटिवेटेड ही नहीं रह पाते। दिस पर्सपेक्टिव is one of the reasons which will help you to keep motivating yourself, to keep recommitting yourself to what you want. And this is not just one thing, huh? There is more to how you can stay motivated. For that, you have to tune in and keep tuned in with us. In next 2 days, I'm going to share with you how can you stay motivated. 3 simple same circular rules which will help you keep motivated, keep the negative away, and keep your focus on so that you can achieve the goal. So, my dear friends, I will tell you that never take success to head or failure to heart. It's just a part of the journey. It will lead you where you are belong to be. On that note, good night, goodbye, and keep tuned. We have a second version coming for your motivation to be everlasting. Bye.